Hi guys, I'm Trisha and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well and safe in this lockdown. And my today's video is something related to lockdown. You can say that because it's lockdown, and it's been around 2 months. We are not able to go to parlor for our eyebrows or upper lips or facial hair. It's the second time I did it in this lockdown. I made my own eyebrows
at home during this lockdown. So I thought a lot of people would require this kind of video because
for photo shoots or for making videos or for just random snaps or video calls. You need to look good.
and you need to do your eyebrows. And
Seeing the current situation, I don't know when we'll be allowed to go to parlors again.
so I thought, why don't we do a video on doing your eyebrows at home?
So today I'm going to show you 3 ways in which you can fix your eyebrows at your home in this lockdown. And before that, I'll show you one basic step that would be required for any of the 3 steps. That is the initial part that you need to do. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet and if you're watching my video for the very first time, please hit the subscribe button below and the bell icon above, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications. So now let's get started. So with the help of spoolie or eye grooming brush your eyebrows and bring it in one length with the help of scissors. Now with the help of eyebrow pencil or kajal, outline your eyebrows. So the first method is waxing. If you're someone who would like to do hot wax on your face for removing facial hair or for eyebrows,
Also, upper lips, I would really not recommend that because you can burn your face. Plus, because of waxing, you can get wrinkles on your face because
do it for a longer time, obviously you will get wrinkles on your face because our face skin compared to our body skin is much thinner, and so I would really not recommend it. So that's a big no-no for me. And but for eyebrows, I would suggest wheat waxing strip is very easily available in the market, and if you have that, you can do your eyebrows using those strips at home, and I'll show you how. Don't have wheat waxing strip, but I can show you how you can use it. Suppose this is the waxing strip. You need to first rub it like this. What?
it's hot. You need to touch.
What you need to do is you need to place it under your eyebrows, and then you need to remove it opposite of the hair direction. So if you have wheat waxing strips at your home, you can easily do it. So the second method which I would suggest you guys is threading. Yes. So in case you don't have this thread, you can use normal stitching thread. That's a little fine, but yeah, that would work really great. I'll show you how. So you need to cut it approx your elbow length, and you need to make a knot out of it.
And then, once we have this,
Rotate your right finger 3 to 4 times, and so the hair which you keep at the left side gets plugged, and you need to move your right finger like scissor, like this. This needs a lot of practice, but you'll be able to do it. Apply powder before threading. So the third method would be facerazor.com. It's easily available in Amazon as well. So this one I really liked it because it comes it's not made of cheap quality plastic. It's really nice, has a nice grip, plus covered with a lid, so for safety issues, and easily you can take it anywhere if you want to travel. It's travel friendly, and so I've preferred this method over threading because threading is painful, we all know, and it requires time and patience when you do it yourself. So I preferred this because this is not painful, it's quick and easy, and you get nice results. And plus there are few myths that I want to clear. People say that if you use face razor, your hair that comes comes darker and thicker, but that's really not true because I'd used it before and I didn't see any change in my hair growth pattern, and so I would use this. It only needs a little patience.
For removing extra hair with the help of face razor, you need to apply moisturizer first. Now, very carefully, drag the razor from upward to downward. Trust me, it's not that difficult because the blade quality is really good. I didn't have any cuts or irritation because of it. Now lastly, apply aloe vera gel or any soothing cream which suits you. A lot of people like to remove their facial hair because you get a very smooth base for foundation, and for that you need to follow the same face razor process. Although I don't do it because I have very minimum facial hair, but I still try to show you.
I'm really happy with the result and I did it myself. I never really thought of that I would do this at home, but quarantine made me do this. So comment down below what queries do you have regarding this video, or any topic that you would want me to suggest for my new content. It would be really grateful. So if my video somehow helped you or you liked my video, do like, comment and share.